Now the Colgate storm is once again hanging over Parliament. Let's in fact get you the latest. The Congress and the BJP seem to have worked out a compromise formula over the Prime Minister's statement. While the PM will not be making an individual statement on the missing Colgate files, he will intervene in the debate on the matter. The government is still insisting that the coal minister's statement is enough, while the opposition claims that since the coal minister's kin were linked to coal allocations, conflict of interest bars him from clarifying from the issue. Well, the government, remember, has admitted that 150 files relating to coal block allocations pre-2004 have gone missing.
House is adjourned for 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
भूमिका ली है कि हम सदन चलाना चाहते हैं और आज पुनः इस सदन में खड़े होकर मैं अपनी उस मंशा को दोहराती हूँ कि हम सदन चलाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सदन चलाने देने का अर्थ ये नहीं है कि हम सरकार को मनमानी करने दें और जो मुद्दे उभरे उस पर मौन साधे रहें। 3 दिन पहले इस देश में ये मुद्दा उभरा कि कोयला मंत्रालय से फाइलें गायब हो गई। वो मुद्दा हमने सदन में उठाया। हम क्या मांग रहे हैं? हम महज इतनी मांग कर रहे हैं कि संबंधित मंत्री स्वयं प्रधानमंत्री थे कोयला मंत्रालय के, इसलिए इस गंभीर विषय पर प्रधानमंत्री सदन में आकर एक वक्तव्य करें कि ये फाइलें कैसे गायब हुई और इनको वापस ढूंढवाने के लिए वो क्या प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
नेता विपक्ष और कई सदस्यों ने इस मामले पे सरकार से जवाब मांगा था। हमने उनको आश्वासन दिया था कि हम कोयला मंत्री को तत्काल इन्फॉर्म करेंगे और उनको सूचित करके यहाँ उनका बयान करवाएंगे। कोयला मंत्री जी ने यहाँ के बयान दिया। बयान के बाद कुछ स्पष्टीकरण क्लैरिफिकेशंस भी मांगे गए, क्लैरिफिकेशंस भी उन्होंने दिए और उसके बाद वो इनकॉन्क्लूसिव रहा। मेरा ये निवेदन है कि अगर आज भी सदस्य उत्तेजित हैं इस बात से, तो हम इस बात के लिए तैयार हैं कि वो जो बाकी रह गई थी वो चर्चा पूरी हो जाए और अगर आप समझते हैं कि आवश्यकता है तो हम उसमें प्रधानमंत्री जी हस्तक्षेप कर सकते हैं। He may intervene also in case if it is required.
We will take appropriate action for the way he has sought to mislead. About 70 files of UPA regimes are also missing, and the second honorable, the LOP has raised the issue of clear conflict of interest, which he denied. Now, sir, I am prepared to authenticate the mail today, where the entire letter has been published as to how he was an arbitrator in the family dispute of AMR company, where Manoj Jaiswal has been granted a coal block whose file is missing. Therefore, we want the Prime Minister.
There is a procedure for it.
We want the Prime Minister to respond, sir. That's all we are saying.
No, there is a procedure for it.
That's what I am saying. Because day before yesterday's statement of Mr. Sri Prakash Jaiswal is a serious case of conflict of interest. He could not have made that statement, sir.
That you have to take up separately.
We will take that. But because the Honorable the Prime Minister is present here, he should assure the nation. That's all we are saying, sir. That's all we are saying.
पहले दिन से ही कोल आवंटन को लेकर के घपले की बू आ रही है और उसी में एक मंत्री की बलि चढ़ चुकी है जो सीबीआई को तोते की तरह से रटवाना चाहते थे। अब जायसवाल जी ने खुद स्वीकार किया है तो उनके मंत्री रहते हुए खुद सीबीआई ने माना है कि बाधा हो रही है जांच में, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है कि श्री प्रकाश जायसवाल को 1 मिनट भी अपने पद पर रहने का नैतिक अधिकार नहीं।
Well, Atish Srivastava, Headlines Today associate editor, is now joining us on the developments in Parliament. Atish, clearly a compromise formula that seemed to have been worked out between the opposition and the government after several disruptions and adjournments over the past few days. Parliament session is being extended, and at the same time, Prime Minister has also agreed to intervene in the Colgate files matter. All right, we try and connect with Atish in just a moment, but the latest from Parliament, government saying that the Prime Minister may intervene on the matter of missing coal files, an issue that has been raised several times by the opposition in Parliament, because of which the food bill has been stalled. The session 2 has been extended till the 5th of September. That's an extension of 1 week to the monsoon session of Parliament.
The minister is replying to it. Why you are standing? I'll raise the issue. Why you are standing? Why you are standing? Why you are standing?